There is no doubt deportations are happening under the current Trump administration. That's a fact. But let's be honest. A lot of what's circulating online feels more like fear-mongering than actual policy analysis. We're seeing headlines and viral videos claiming that even green card holders and U.S. citizens are at risk of being deported. Technically, yes, there are rare, extreme cases where even legal residents face deportation. But let's pause and ask, if you're a law-abiding resident with no criminal background or immigration violations, why would Trump, or any administration for that matter, target you? This kind of exaggerated content is less about protecting immigrant communities and more about generating clicks, views, and shares. Fear sells. And in the age of content creation, especially on platforms where shock value wins, some creators lean into panic rather than facts. That's not to say we shouldn't be vigilant, especially in communities where people are vulnerable. But let's separate fear from fact and focus on real policy changes, not paranoia.